Hi, welcome to Java Full Stack class. Uh, Today we discuss Angular 17 list of the new features and how to upgrade the Angular version. And now we are discussing the installation of the part of Angular version. So first thing, so we need to verify the npm installation, npm version, node version, and need to use download id Visual Studio Code and install the Angular. Download the id Visual Studio Code for the development purpose, and now we need to use npm install -g @angular cli. This is the command we can use and we can execute this thing. So how to go and how to use this? Okay, so go to your folder and here type cmd and go to type cmd. After the cmd we can go and we can type your command whatever you are entering here. So node version this one, and now we are inserting this npm install -d command here because I have already installed this npm install -g angular cli version. Okay, now so see, now we are discussing these are the things we can implement. Okay, okay, so see the angular version. And yes, बोल ना.
पाऊस अजून आहे.
हो आहे.
मला याल का चौकात घ्यायला?
हो येतो.
हा.
Angular CLI npm install -g Angular CLI. So these are the npm install -g Angular CLI command we can use, and we can, before the start your application, we can use this command and we can execute. Okay, so now so here we are how to create the ng Angular application. Ng new, my application name is demo, otherwise my app. Okay, my app, my application name is my app Vikas. Okay, otherwise Java full stack class. Okay, new ng new Java full stack class is the application name, and I am putting this application name ng new Java full stack class. I am executing this command. So this is the command. Would you like to share the procedure or user the data about the project Angular team? No, I am sorry, no. Okay, now then effective status disable css. What do you want to css to apply? So normal css. Okay, do you want to css pending? No. Okay, do you want to static? Okay, now it's Angular application is running. So Angular 17 lot of features, lot of installation, so we can see it easily can handle. See npm -v and node -v, and we can use this command only npm. Okay, npm install -g Angular CLI. This command, then after the command you can use fifth number ng sorry create application, and here we can use ng new my app means your repository. Okay, your for custom name, right? You can use this because now he is installing, and once he installed successfully, so I am going to this see Java full stack class is okay. So Java full stack class is one src folder open, and it's a lot of file is updating. So we can, once I finish, we can go there and we can execute this ng serve command. So ng serve command we can execute this your application. So how to execute your application? 6 number, how to execute Angular application. Okay, answer ng serve. Okay, ng serve command. Otherwise error or ng serve hyphen o. This is the one command. You can both command you can use and you can easily launch your application. So now this is a building your application. I am going to the this. Okay, then code dot, then directly it will be open your Visual Studio Code. Okay, so now it will be open your Visual Studio Code directly. Code dot. Okay, this is your Angular version. So how to check? Go to your package.json. Here 18 version. Yes, trust it. See, 18 version is came. So 18 version is came. So see, the RxJS library version 18 version. So lot of dependency here added. Angular animation, common compiler, core, forms, whatever. Okay. Okay, still installation is going. So here we are discussing src folder. Src, this is the packet.json file. This is a very important file. So see, our application name is Java Full Stack class, and here see Angular dependency, Angular dev kit, CLI, Angular compile file, Jasmine. Jasmine is the testing file we can use, and okay, can install these are the package. Okay, okay, then later. Okay, then Karma, Jasmine, this is also testing tool. Karma Jasmine, Karma coverage, these are the by default. Angular is provided by default these tools. Okay, so this is the this is a way to create your Angular application easily, and we can once the compile is built successfully, we can start your application. We can launch the application using the Angular 18. Okay, so now see, I'm going to the project folder. Project folder is node modules here. Lot of this is a package folder. This is the src. We are writing your main application file, right? So app component.html file here by default is given. Okay, now this is a css file. Okay, then html style. Inside the style is render. See, whatever, huge code. Okay, still application is starting. Application is installation is working. Okay, it is taken time. Then app route.ts file, one ts file, route Angular route, const route, then app.config.ts file. This is the one of the route file. You can execute the configuration. Then important one main file is index.html. This is app root. So app root, where is coming from? App root here. See, this is the ts file. App root is there. See, this is app root is the selector. Now Angular 18 is the selector, standalone one added inside the component. Then imports is by default is added. Then template URL and style URL by default is means already there, right? This and this one. Why what added here? So only imports router outlet. We can use the navigation redirection purpose, and standalone and true. So what is the purpose of the standalone? What is the purpose of the imports? So imports is the one depend in the injection router outlet. So inside the router outlet we can inject and we can use this thing. So our app component title Java full stack class. I'm going to the router outlet. Router outlet coming from the Angular router. Okay, Angular router is coming from. Okay, okay. Installation is going. Still installation is going. Okay, now okay, Java full stack class, and here Angular means Angular router is dependency need to add here, and we are going to the Angular JSON file. What is the Angular JSON file? This is the one of the most important Angular.json file, the dependency. So see, I'm going to the, this is the one asset we are adding the images, all things we can use. So its assets and style. So we need to, here we need to set the CSS path inside the div folder, and we need to set the path here inside the style, and script tag inside the JS file, JS code. Whenever you created the JS file, so it will be need to set the path here. So this is the one of the important path, important Angular.json file. This is important thing. A lot of it's already imported out of file. Okay, so yeah, this is the one of the thing we can execute. Okay, still is working. It's taken much time actually. Okay, so and okay, okay, so we are going to the rectangular JSON file. Okay, this style.js css file, style.css file is globally set the css. So once you define here, so we can use the entire your application. So we can use this style.css file, otherwise you can create the one component. Okay, okay. And here main.ts file, the main.ts file is the main component starting index. So here we need to pass here app component. So how to means is structure of the Angular application main.ts file, then I'm clicking on the app.component file. The app.component file is the app root, right? So app root need to import, inject inside the index.html file. So index.html file here app root we are passing, right? Okay, so that is the main thing. We can use the app root is anywhere we can use this scenario. Okay, this is the one of the thing we can use. Still is starting the application, we are checking what dependency is added, and I'm also going to the there. See, Angular 17 VS Code node modules public. So I'm clicking on the node modules. Okay, so when we add the bootstrap all thing we can add. I'm checking the bootstrap. Google base bootstrap is not there, right? So next lecture we can start the application, because here it's taken some time. Okay, thank you. So only you can use this command, and you can serve this ng serve. This command you can type here. Once built successfully, so you can type there and you can start your application. Okay, ng serve, otherwise ng s -o, so it will be automatic redirect to the browser. Okay, so that is the main screen, so you can use and you can execute this. Thank you.